beautiful morning. Rained a bit last night. Probably gonna rain a bit today, it looks like. Unless this burns off. But I'm gonna have some coffee and sit here. I think I should sleep by the water more often. I had a dream last night. I went on a date with Dwayne Johnson. Coffee's brewing. Look at that mist coming off the water. I slept so good last night. Oh, look at it now. Wow, it's gorgeous. I'm just having my coffee and some apple cinnamon oatmeal. It's so delicious. Some camper over there. They're everywhere. It's beautiful. So it is 7 in the morning. It is so cold I can see my breath. And I just got stung by another flippin' bee on my right leg this time. Almost identical spot on my left leg, but on my right leg. First of all, what the hell is a bee doing up at this hour? And in this cold. And I just popped my bee medicine. And I'm hoping this has the same reaction as I did last time. This is getting ridiculous because normally I don't have good reactions, so I'm a little nervous now. But it got me right there. And you can see that right there. My leg is turning red. Seriously. And I don't want to stop again. It makes me a little nervous though. I can't lie. Thing's getting a little bigger. 746 is the second circle since I couldn't write it. Just trying to document it. Hopefully this doesn't get real bad. I'm about 5 miles from the next road in front of me and 0.4 from the one behind me. So I'm really torn. I want to just sit there. How cool does this look with like all the broken snap trees and the clouds and then these pretty white flowers in the foreground? Oh, I love it. Make a beautiful painting. How cool is this? It's like otherworldly. And there's still birds. Really neat looking. Even the mildew and the rain. And these little guys everywhere, they're all sparkly. This kind of reminds me of coming down Mount Washington. It's fun how different places can transport you back to other places. Look at that mildew. That's gorgeous. Look at it all. It's like little bulbs of glass. Pretty neat. I just love that. I woke up about 30 miles or so from Elk Lake, which is an exit into Bend. Apparently it's the easiest way into Bend. And my zipper on my Hyperlite Ultimate 2 has given out on me. I'm definitely going to go into Bend and have them fix my zipper. I also need to get a contractor or a garbage bag to put all my things in, because having the bear canister on the top of my Hyperlite bag compressed the back in such a way that my back rubbed a hole through the material, making it no longer waterproof. So last time it rained, my sleeping bag got wet, which is no bueno. Look at that. That is amazing color. Looks so cool. I wonder if my blood type is helping me build an immune, as opposed to what the doctor told me that I would reverse and have worse symptoms. Maybe I'm actually building an immunity thanks to my Rh negative blood type. Who knows? On Ancient Aliens, they think I'm an alien because they can't explain my blood type. I have extra vertebrae, extra ribs, pretty much a freak of nature, extremely low blood pressure. My blood's universal. Anyone can use it, but I can only use the same exact blood. And I can't have babies with someone that doesn't have my blood type, unless I get shots the entire time so my body doesn't attack it. So I'm pretty much a different species. According to the guy that goes, aliens. I like that guy. Look at these logs. They look like they were placed crisscross on purpose. That looks so neat. This is such a change. I love it. That looks so cool. Look at the treetops. Oh, that'd be a cool picture. So I'm still alive. The bee has not killed me. Chicken! Call me Kickin' Wing. That's what that guy's name was in the movie, Kickin' Wing. That'd be a good trail name, Kickin' Wing. There's really nothing out here though, besides straight beauty in my face. I like it. This is like one of the most beautiful rainy days ever. The colors from the clouds reflecting the light is just bouncing natural light everywhere and making all the colors stand out so crazy. It's awesome. It's pretty neat. Making everything look like it's glowing. Got some amazing photos today already. Definitely have some cool things to paint. This is awesome. Look how red and beautiful that is. The green. Straight gorge. Here's a couple more. Beautiful. There's an oldie. That's pretty cool. Right next to this rainy lake. I have passed, I feel like, dozens of lakes today. Little ponds. It's gorgeous. Look at all them ducks out there. They're having a blast. This is like their favorite weather, probably. That's pretty cool. There's another old one. It's all swallowed. Like something out of a movie. Look how cute this is. Little pond out here. I want to walk out further, but I don't want to get soaked by the grass. Ah, screw it. What am I saying? I live outside. Oh man. Beautiful. Wow, this is really pretty. Look at that. Little steam coming off it. Beautiful. Look at this. You could totally paint this. Ooh. Getting squishy. Can't go any further. The little lily pads. So it's like 12:45. I am 11 miles from Bend, or Elk Lake, which takes you into Bend if I decide to go. But first, I'm gonna sit by this lake and eat. Look at these guys just blooming. Pretty beautiful. There's a lot of mushroom carnage around here, though kind of disappointing. Some hiker is plucking them up and stabbing them with his trek pole or her trek pole, which doesn't make me look good because I just passed a ranger. But anyway, she had a cute dog, just like my dog. Husky, but looks like a Malamute. So this section of the trail, actually a lot of it through Oregon, has been so easy. It's kind of awesome. I have 2 miles almost exactly to the Elk Lake Resort, and it's only 3:30. I was thinking I wouldn't get there till like 6. Looks like it's gonna rain again. I wouldn't mind being in town trying to get my zipper fixed and handling some things while it rains outside. Also, IB Tat's there in town still, and he has a hotel room, and he is so sweet. He's like, I told him it was rainy and wet and cold out here, because that's what it's been most of the day. And he's like, well, you can come have my bed at the hotel room and I'll sleep on the floor. I'm like, dude, I would not take your bed. But I might come sleep on the floor. and warm up in a hot shower, go eat some town food while my sleeping bag or my tent gets fixed. Maybe find a trash bag to put inside my backpack. And that was one other thing I needed to do. Oh, my filter's crapping out on me, my water filter. A meadow. Look at that sky. Looks kind of mean still, doesn't it? Oh. Beautiful. Junction. Sunset Lake. PCD. Onward. Ooh, is that Elk Lake down there? I made it. Alright. Let's get into Bend now. It's very stormy out. I think we're gonna have to zero.